Your body is a reflection of how you fuel it. Want to feel stronger, healthier, and more energized? You're in the right place. Welcome to KayaKalpa Fitness, your trusted space for science-backed nutrition, fitness, and overall well-being. Whether your goal is to build muscle or lose fat, boost energy, or focus on mental well-being, want to transform your body inside out? I'm here to help you do it the right way. I'm a certified nutritionist with a degree in nutrition and dietetics, and an ACE-certified advanced personal trainer. With more than 5 years of experience, I've helped people transform their bodies, minds, and lifestyles through simple, yet powerful nutrition and fitness strategies. If you've ever felt confused about what to eat, have low focus, feel tired, go through a lot of anxiety, or felt stuck in your fitness journey, this channel is here to make healthy living simple, effective, and sustainable. Here you will get 1. Science-backed nutrition advice for a healthier body and mind. 2. Easy meal prep ideas for muscle gain, fat loss, and overall wellness. 3. Fitness strategies that actually work. No fads, just facts. In short, everything that you need to feel physically and mentally fit. I've worked with hundreds of clients who have transformed their health, physique, and energy levels. Now I want to help you do the same. Hit subscribe and turn on the bell notifications. Let's make your health transformation effortless and enjoyable. This is your journey, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way.